Welcome to in the 12th day of the AJ90J challenge, and I hope everything is going great from your side with honesty. If you don't know about this JavaScript challenge, then please head over to the description box of this video or watch the first video of this channel. By the way, here is the plan for today's, and let's get into the real adventure of JavaScript. First, today complete documentation about truthy and falsy value in JavaScript on GitHub. Let's start with the first one, that is falsy value. A value is considered as falsy value if it implicitly evaluates to false when used in a Boolean context, right? In JavaScript, there are exactly 6 types of falsy value. The first one is 0, second one is empty string, third one is undefined, fourth one is null, fifth one is not a number, and the sixth one is of course a false, right? Let's see the next one, that is truthy value. A value is considered as truthy if it implicitly evaluates to true when used in a Boolean context. But unlike falsy value, there is no any specific list of truthy value in JavaScript, right? However, we can say that everything is true except those 6 falsy values, right? For more information about these topics, please head over to the description box of this video and see the GitHub repository. Apart from this, I also read a MDN blog on equality operator in JavaScript. We'll share it later. Then I tried a Codeverse problem, but unfortunately I did not complete it today. Then shoot and upload a video for you, went to the gym, and that's all. So that was some challenge I faced on the 12th day of the AJ90J challenge. Let me know what obstacles or challenges you faced on this day.